Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be organizing my eyeshadow palette collection because if you guys can see, it's kind of a mess. I haven't organized in literally months, so I decided that I would do an organization video for you guys because I know some of you really like it. Yeah, it's just kind of a mess, so yeah. If you want to see me organizing my eyeshadow palettes, just keep watching. So basically, I'm just going to be organizing my palettes. I'm taking all the ones that I kind of just stuffed into the organizers. I'm taking them out, and I'm decluttering my Jeffree Star palette. I'm going to be putting them elsewhere because I don't want them on display anymore. So I'm literally taking all my Jeffree Star palettes, especially the Shane Dawson ones, because that's fucking horrible. I'm putting them somewhere else, and if I cannot declutter them, then I will just try to use them without, like, promoting the brand or whatever. But yeah, so I'm basically taking the Jeffree Star palettes away. I'm also pulling out any palettes that I kind of shoved in there, or palettes that I don't use as much, and I'm trying to organize them a bit differently so I can get all the new palettes in, since I would like to use those as well. For the most part, y'all are going to be listening to some royalty-free music by Kevin MacLeod, but at points I will explain kind of what I'm doing, what my thought process is on organizing, because I kind of didn't go in with a certain idea. I just kind of do what I think looks good and what I can fit the most going into it. Any palettes I'm decluttering, like this Venus XL2 palette, I'm taking out. I don't know why I didn't take it out before. Obviously, if I have a palette I'm not going to use and that I'm decluttering, I wouldn't want it in my main eyeshadow palette holders. I just think that was dumb of me. So I am really trying to find the best spaces to put the new eyeshadow palettes in where I can see them all. I do not like it when palettes are hidden behind other palettes, so I try to do a gradient effect, basically. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but this time I think it actually ends up working pretty well. Honestly, I'm really happy with how the first two organizers turned out. I think that they look gorgeous. I got all the palettes I wanted into them, so I am very, very, very happy with that. I think it looks cute too, not gonna lie. And this is the before of the other organizer we are organizing. Most of it is like the 12 pan or 9 pan, I don't fucking know, ColourPop palettes and highlighters. Obviously, my bigger J-Star palettes are over here, so they're all getting tossed on my bed. But yeah, this is mainly like highlighter palettes, ColourPop palettes, stuff like that. Nothing too crazy, but it's definitely the most cluttered. Like, I don't really reach over here. The other organizers I use more, but I still tried to make sure I had more room. This organizer is by Allegory, and they have dividers you can put in. I end up taking most of the dividers out because that does give you a few more palettes worth of room, which of course I needed. I left the ones in the back because I prefer having like 2 or 3 dividers in the back to hold up the bigger palettes, but the rest I think are good, just kind of like shoved on in there. If you guys want to see a makeup vanity organization video, please let me know because I need to clean my vanity next, so that's definitely my goal. Since without the J-Star palettes I had a lot more room, I ended up moving a lot of the palettes that I wanted to use more that were in my other eyeshadow palette organizers, which I'm not organizing today. But I took the palettes that I decided I wanted to use more from all my other eyeshadow palettes and decided to try to get them to fit in here. Especially like the Beauty Bay ones and stuff, because like I do not get use out of them and I really want to. And of course, like the ABH palette, stuff like that. I honestly just spend a little bit of time trying to decide what layout works better for how many palettes that I can get in there. It just works better for me. And again, I go with a gradient effect, so like shortest palettes to tallest palettes, basically. That's how it works for me. And if you guys can see, the only OCD thing I have with this is that all the palettes have to be faced towards the right. That's just how I've always done it, and that's kind of like an OCD thing with me, and how I have to do it. I was honestly so happy that the Lime Crime highlighter palette fit into the front like that. Like, it's not gradient, but it's still pretty cool. I also pushed the organizer back as far as I could, so it gives me more vanity room, which I am very happy about. So here is the finished second eyeshadow palette organizer. This is not all my organizers, but these are the organizers that I wanted to organize today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TashaXO. Leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Something wrong with your brain? Is it broken? Is your brain broken? Is it? Huh? What was that? You think you can grab my hand? Huh? You'll find out. Catnip or no catnip. You'll find out, yes. You'll find out, yes.
The boy keeps kicking himself in the head.
No, give me a minute.
Hi! Oh!
He knocked over his
You
wine
are
ice
my